Hi everyone, I'm Jonas from Altezza Travel, and today we're going to talk about what you need to pack for your safari, as this is one of the most popular questions our clients ask. First of all, I'm sure you're wondering about any specific clothes you might need. Well, unlike a Kilimanjaro trip, safari adventures don't require anything special. A t-shirt, cotton safari trousers, or a comfortable skirt for ladies will be just fine. Also, remember that temperatures in Tanzania can vary depending on the altitude and time of day. It is recommended to bring some clothes to keep you comfy and warm, especially in the early mornings and late evenings. During the summer period of June to August, the temperature in the Ngorongoro crater may fall to 0 degrees Celsius at night. It can also be very cold in the morning and in the evenings, so definitely take a warm sweater or a light jacket. Some travelers find it useful to take fleece hats and gloves. However, rest assured that around midday, the temperature can rise up to 25 degrees Celsius, so a t-shirt for this period will be just fine. Most of the time it will be sunny, so don't forget to pack sunglasses, a cap, or a wide-brimmed safari hat. Although you will spend a great deal of time in the safari car viewing wildlife, you may also participate in walking safaris or cultural tours throughout your safari experience. So you should have practical, comfortable, and sturdy walking shoes packed with you. Some areas of Tanzania are very dusty, and we recommend taking several sets of safari clothes to be able to change into a fresh set every day. It is also recommended to choose neutral colors and avoid bright whites or fluorescent colors. Not only does this help to keep your clothes cleaner, but also it will allow you to blend in with the nature better. Because of dust, it's also a good idea to take a bandana or a handkerchief. Keep in mind that some of the lodges in the national parks have swimming pools, which you can enjoy after an eventful safari day. So, packing a swimsuit or swim trunks is always a good idea as well. Other safari essentials include your personal hygiene items, sunscreen, insect repellent, and of course, remember an adapter for electric plugs, as Tanzania uses 3-pronged plugs similar to the ones in the UK. For a complete list of everything you need on a trip, check the article in the description below. Every Altezza car provides a pair of binoculars for our guests' convenience. Ours are great for the ordinary game drives, but if you're an avid birdwatcher with particular preferences for your binoculars, you are of course encouraged to bring your own with you. We also have charging stations in each of our vehicles, so your devices will never run out of power during a safari. And finally, a quick note for those of you that plan to go on a trip to Zanzibar during their Tanzania visit as well. The local airlines normally have a limitation of 15 kilograms per passenger. If you have more luggage than that, you can of course pay for extra luggage allowance. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, or you can contact us directly at Altezza Travel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice for your Tanzania safari adventure. Happy packing and safe travels.